Mid-Century Ideal is inspired by the lure of a bygone era and the social mores of America in the 1960s. This trend showcases a romanticized view of what life was like during this time, featuring Sunday drives and the family as the center of our values. Characterized by muted tones and standout geometric patterns, Mid-Century Ideal is driven by the idea to look to the past for cues on how to simplify life today. J. Bryce Design International showcases how classic design can feel timeless by showing imagery through a desaturated and nostalgic lens.
Capturing a moment in time, the Mid-Century Ideal represents the slick Madison Avenue style and a gentler but truly sophisticated Manhattan lifestyle. Using decal graphics to create a paper dollhouse effect, guests experience the beginning of the decade as they approach, and you can then immerse yourself in a time capsule of a New York City street or view it from the present. Music, lighting, and a classic vintage automobile all capture the exuberance of the era and contribute to the panoramic New York City scene. The quintessential New York manhole gently emits steam, which reinforces the romance of this urban element and of a bygone era.